Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss a public interest litigation regarding police vehicles scam which occurred in the northeast, that is in Meghalaya state. And actually no action taken by the government or the concerned officials, and moreover they are trying to shield the concerned officer. Therefore, the public interest litigation was filed. And when the court asked no proper reply from the Home Secretary, therefore they have initiated contempt action. Ultimately, the Home Secretary has given the detailed affidavit basing on which the contempt proceedings were withdrawn. This is briefly the case facts. You can read the case as reward Vicharvant Vajiri. So just like Kiran Rijiju, it's very difficult to pronounce their names. Meghalaya. Reward Vicharvant Vajiri and another versus State of Meghalaya and others in public interest litigation number 12 by 2022, decided on day before yesterday, 2nd November 2022 by two judges bench, that is Chief Justice of Meghalaya and another judge. Chief Justice of Meghalaya, you know, is Sanjeev Banerjee, but they pronounced as Sanjeev, S-A-N-J-I-B, Sanjeev Banerjee, and W.D. Dingdo, D-I-E-N-G-D-O-H, Dingdo. So the names are like that, we can't help, right? So actually, the residents of Shillong, under the head of this Vicharvant Varjiji, they filed the public interest litigation in file number 12 by 2002 with allegations against the illegal procurement of police vehicles by some police officials without any sanction from the concerned authority. They have shown the vehicles in possession of a former Asst.Inspector General of Police, AIG, that means SP cadre administration. He was having 29 police official vehicles. They are in his personal custody. And when they have represented the matter to the concerned DGP or the police officers of the Home Department, no action is taken. Moreover, the officers are trying to cover up the issue. They wanted to shield the erring officials, and there are no steps are taken to act to recover the amount from the officials, and they are being shielded by the concerned officers. Ultimately, these people, they are forced to file a public interest litigation in the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya. Okay, right? It was taken on file as 12 by 2022, and the High Court has asked for a status report. That means what action was taken, whether it is a fact that the 29 vehicles are in the personal custody of an AIG, retired AIG or not. All these things they have to file a report through. The government of Meghalaya has to file a status report through its Home Secretary. This is the direction given by the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya. But you see, the reply from the Home Secretary is zero. On the said date of adjournment, nobody appeared, and the Home Secretary did not file any affidavit. So the case is posted to the next day, and the court has taken contempt proceedings against the Home Secretary. So they have clearly stated that it is not the scam which are bothering the people. It is the inquiry which follows the scam. Tons of papers are being wasted, but no justice is done. No inquiry is complete. Even the inquiry is complete, they are deliberately giving a clean sheet to the delinquents. If this is the case, where are we going? Here, the point is, the High Court has asked for the status report, but they have not filed. Therefore, the contempt action. What is contempt? There are two types of contempt. There is a civil contempt. Civil contempt means if you do not obey the orders given by the court, then it is a civil contempt. Then only the police woke up. The officers woke up because the Home Secretary has to come to the court and he has to appear. So therefore, on the very same day of adjournment, the government through the Home Secretary, they have filed a detailed affidavit. In that connection, they have stated all the facts of the incident. They have stated that they have examined 43 witnesses, they have taken action against some erring officials, and they have typed in as regards this particular man, they are going to recover an amount of 3 crores from this particular retired Assistant Inspector of Police. So anyway, action has been taken and it is on the way. So, the court is satisfied. Now the High Court is satisfied and they have dropped contempt proceedings against the Home Secretary and stated that had they woken up early, had they submitted the affidavit in this forum, it should have been sufficient. Why should we go for a contempt? Are we happy to go for contempt proceedings? Are we happy to call the Home Secretary to the court? No. If they do their duty perfectly, we don't want anything. Since he has submitted the affidavit with all the details, we are satisfied. Yes, they are going to take action. Let them take action because it is their department. So, this is the observation made by the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya. So, very interesting incident because normally it happens. 1 or 2 vehicles may be kept in charge, but 29 vehicles means it is extreme. Definitely, it should be condemned. Whatever, once you retire, normally when I retired in year 2011, I have retired on 36/2011. Then the SP asked me to take the vehicle used by me and keep it for 1 month to look after my something till I purchase new vehicle. Yes, after 1 month is over, I have surrendered my vehicle. So this should be done. But you can't keep the vehicle like that. So another problem is regarding orderlies. The retired officers, most of them, they will be keeping the orderlies. That's also not advisable. Of course, you may be not knowing about the orderly system. We'll discuss it on some other day. Anyway, so please read the case law and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.